everyone, welcome to today's motovlog. My name is Marshall3498. In today's motovlog, I'm going to talk about something it's related to motorcycling, I guess, and that topic is 360 cameras. Which one do you think is the best option? I've looked online, on YouTube of course, and looked at different features and possibilities of editing, which one's easier to work with in the editing flow. I think that would be a cool addition to the channel, maybe you know, next 6 months or this riding season maybe. Kind of overweigh the options. GoPro, as I'm used to, their software for editing it on desktop to use kind of like a B camera instead of my B camera I have. Maybe use it instead to get like around behind me kind of shots. That flying drone like looks like 5 feet in front of you because it's hovering in the air and you don't see like the selfie stick part. I think that might be a cool thing to try to test out on the channel, to use maybe not for every motovlog, but say for every other one or every third one. I don't know. Insta360, both cameras seems like it has plus and minuses, but I feel like the GoPro, the newest version, not the older first version, the new 360, the X2 Instas, you know, the newest version of that, seemed like it might be okay, but seemed like some of the editing part of it, unless you have a Mac, are a little odd. You have to do all this different stuff on the app, edit it on the app, put it in there, convert it again, then you can take it to your editing software and do with it what you please to mix with it. I feel like that camera may be a little bit better for somebody just using it, say, like as their only camera, and they're only doing short, like 2-minute little clip stuff of like riding a skateboard or a bicycle or something. I don't know that seems the best to work for like what I want to use it for. I know Swanky Cat, he uses 2 of those and a regular camera. That's crazy, but it's all what you get used to. I'm here to hear y'all's thoughts and opinions on which one you think would be the easiest to live with, so to speak, and use on a regular basis. You know, the GoPro thing, it seemed like, yes, you have to use their software to rotate it around and find which part of the camera you want to use and the field of view you want to see and all that stuff. But the GoPro, just like the 360, you can use it just like behind you as a B camera behind you. That's primarily what I would use it for, but I'd use it for other stuff too. The GoPro seemed like it has a real wide, like, panoramic picture mode. It'd be real cool to take on, like, just take pictures of a place that you go riding at for memory's sake. I don't know. I've not figured it all out yet. Probably won't for a while, because I'm this person who likes to really know what they're getting themselves into instead of jumping in with both feet first. So, I don't know. Haven't really decided what I want to do yet on that, or even get one at all, but thought it'd be interesting to hear everybody's comments and thoughts and opinion on what they thought about it, and maybe use that. Maybe somebody who uses one a lot can steer me in the right direction a little more than just watching a video on YouTube. I don't know. It just seemed like something that I might think about trying, and I don't want to do that and then not like it, turn around and try to sell it, and then have to sell it for half the price of what I paid for it just to get rid of it. You know, it's kind of like the drone thing. You know, I have a drone, but it's not that it's that bad, but it's the thought of having several $100s just disintegrate in the air by a bird that grabs it or whatever. And you know, in the past on my channel, when I had my bigger one of the Phantom ones, I didn't really worry about that much, but I swear the last like 2 times I've tried to fly it, I literally had some birds that are like the size of sparrows on something that I uploaded on my channel like 6 months ago or more. Just a little short clip of a popular riding area. There's like 4 of these things, and they like attacked it like they thought it was like a crow, and they weren't really playing around. You know, I don't know that they could have really hurt it or knocked it out of the air, but it was a little unnerving to see, you know, like I said, several $100s just go flying out of the air and disintegrate. Like, well, that was fun while that lasted. That kind of sucks. You know, and drones are cool, and they're the new fad and stuff, but, you know, some people that, you know, are more you know, working class, so to speak, middle class like myself, that's a lot of money to just take a gamble and have something just go poof out of the sky. You know, for what, even a good deal on what I got mine at, that's a really nice, I mean, a nice motorcycle helmet, and maybe even a decent, you know, cardo or something for it to just be poof, gone, wasted. So I don't know. Sorry to get off topic, but it's the same kind of thing, like, you know, from the Insta thing, like, is it really worth the investment and trying it, or should I just like skip it and move that money to something else I'd like to get for riding? I don't know. Who knows? But on that, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's motovlog. If you've not already done so, please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let me hear your thoughts and opinions, and I'll do my best to maybe get back with you and answer you and give you my opinion in the comments if you like. So on that, guys, ride safe and have fun. We'll see you on the next one. See ya.